Okay, this is Fahar again, and we're still in chapter 8, and I would like to give you an example about voltage drop and how it is calculated. So I have this example which is available also in the book. If we look closely here, we're going to use Ohm's law. So remember the triangle? That's voltage, amps, and resistance in here. And for this example, we have gauge 12. I would like to know the resistance for that gauge 12. Going to the book, if I go on figure 8.1 and I will look up gauge 12, it's giving us 162 per thousand foot. Okay, I got that. So now I know how I can calculate that by 1,000 foot. So we have gauge 12, and it's the equipment draw is 20 amps that you can find in the label, and it requires 240 volts. I would like to know if 500 feet of wire will cause me voltage drop to not run the equipment properly. So I have my equipment here, for example, and I have a wire that's 500 feet. This is the power source control panel. I would like to see if this is enough or not. So if you go on the table, I'll find that this is 1.6 for 1,000 foot, but I have 500 foot. So this is per 100. If I have 500, then I will divide that by 1,000, by 2, right? So 1.62 over 2, because I have 500 here, right? Not 1,000. So this will give me 0.81, which is here. So that's going to be my resistance. So my resistance is 1.62 ohm per 1,000 foot, and you can find that from the table in the book, figure 8.1. You multiply that by the amperage draw from this equation here. This is again voltage, and you'll get 16 volts. So this is my voltage drop of 500 feet along the line. Is this acceptable or not? Let me find out. So I'll drop to 224. So it subtract 16 from 240, I get 224. If I divide 224 by the original and multiply by 100, I'll get 7%. What is the percentage of 224 from 240? It's 7%. So that's still less than 10%. So it should be okay, but also you should check with the manufacturer. So this is a worked example of how do you calculate voltage drop. Look up resistance per wire, use Ohm's law, then find percentage. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If not, you can watch it again. I'll give a few examples on homework on this chapter to check your understanding. Thank you.